Are you tired of those same webcam borders? Would you like to spice things up with vibrant, colorful, or even animated overlays while recording yourself? Hi, I'm Kai from Wondershare DemoCreator. In this video, I'll show you the new feature in DemoCreator where you can add a webcam overlay during your session, making your videos even more interactive and attractive. Before we dive in though, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. With that said, let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't downloaded DemoCreator yet, go to our website and install it onto your computer. You'll find the website link in the description. Once it's installed, right-click on the app and move on to the next step. Step 2. Click on the video recorder option first, then select the screen and camera option from the list. Next, go to the camera overlay. Move your mouse down to the webcam toolbar where you'll see two options for the webcam border shape. You can choose either the circle or rectangle option. There's one more thing I want to share with you that makes it even more interesting. If you choose the rectangle box, you'll also be able to add the animated webcam overlay, which isn't available in the circle box. Step 3. Now click the recording button to start your session. When you're done, just click it again. After the recording ends, the editing page comes up. And now you can adjust the position of the webcam part. You can select the webcam overlays again and mirror the webcam if you want to. You can even edit your video using DemoCreator's other features before exporting the file to your computer. And that's how you can use webcam overlays to beautify your webcam without spending extra time on video editing later on. Make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell button for notifications. And I will see you in the next one.